Keep the breath. Okay. Now the neck is prepared and we can decompress it. For that purpose, we're putting the hand like this, head like this. Inhale. Other way around. This is the last part, like the base of the muscle that needs to stretch. It is just in this triangle, right here. Inhale, exhale. One more time. Inhale, exhale. Okay, let's try the compression. The other way around. One more time. Inhale.
I had stiffness, now I don't have anything at all. Yes.
And you're sleepy.
Yeah. Hello guys, in my channel. Today we're in Sofia, capital of Bulgaria, and behind me is one piece of art. This is National Palace of Culture, and this is some of the places that you have to visit. I'm here just because this is next stage of my journey, and today I book an appointment at 12 o'clock. So yeah, we're gonna tune in directly from the place. Channel. Today I'm here in Sofia, the capital of Bulgaria, and we are located in the center, which is literally on the main street Pirotska. I have a guy who I want to introduce today. With me is Mr. Radostin Rusev. It's a pleasure to be here, and it's a big honor. Let's move straight forward to the procedure, what we're gonna introduce and what we're gonna show to our fans. Каква процедура? Кажи нещо относно. Представи се, кажи две-три приказки на...
Well, hello, I'm Rade. We're in Rade Center in Sofia, and today we're going to do manual therapy for this amazing person. And depending on what is his problem, now he's going to tell us, and
Yes.
we're going to do any kind of pain releasement. So tell us.
Okay, I have a problem, like physically I feel exhausted. Last night I had a trip from UK about 3 hours, and I'm just so stagnant, and I need some releaseness overall. My body, it's pain in my muscle because of the exercising I practicing in the gym last week.
Okay. So we're going to work on the upper part of the spine, your head, and also your thighs.
Exactly.
Yes.
Yes, guys. And thank you. Today we're gonna put all his contacts down in the descriptions, and I will say my feedback into the treatment. Thank you. Make sure you like and you subscribe to the channel, and we keep moving forward with new people, with new episodes and new places that we're gonna just discovering. Thank you, guys. So let's move forward. И да, нека да започнем.
Почваме.
Айде.
Сложи една пауза там. За лицето. И така. И господина може да се разположи. Please come and lie down. Now we begin. First of all, we have to prepare the entire spine to do any kind of adjustments and anything like adjusting the nerve endings. That's why we're using this old technique of Balkan massage. This is quite stiff. Long fight or not?
Yes.
Yes. Yes, indeed. Inhale, exhale. Normal breath. How does it feel?
Does it feel nice?
Like a knife?
Yeah, and it's so it improving my muscle there. It make all my muscle release because
So-
of this.
So why you say like a knife? Is it sharp?
Yeah, but it's acceptable. It's nothing which I cannot handle.
Okay.
I just feel satisfied.
You want to be more powerful the massage.
Yeah, sure.
Yes. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Okay. How is it now?
This is great. You just know where to press, and I'm so like you put your all professionalism and everything that you already know about it. But I'm so impressed.
And by the way, you're hungry.
И ти знаеш къде ме натиснеш, човек. Много добре.
I'm supposed to know. Otherwise, what were I doing? Two guys pushing each other. This is not the type of video that we're shooting. This may hurt. Keep the breath. Inhale, exhale. Keep the breath. Okay. Put your hands underneath your forehead,
Ево.
like so.
Окей.
Yes. Ready? Keep the breath.
Може 15% батерия.
Спокойно.
Той е спокоен. Ти трябва да си нервен. Okay. Now the neck is prepared and we can decompress it. For that purpose, we're putting the hands like this, head like this, Inhale. Other way around. That was it. Congratulations. Keep inhaling. Exhale. One more time. Inhale. Exhale. Last time. Exhale. That was it. Lie on this side. Okay. Like so. Inhale. The other way around. Inhale. One more time. Inhale. Okay. That was it. Now only on your back side you lay.
Like this. Okay.
Yes, on your back. To relax the stabilizer in the neck. This so important muscle that everybody gets tight. Do you know that 90% of our headaches are because of this muscle? From one side of the neck, this direction, that is coming from behind the ear and going down to the collarbone. This very important muscle. In your case, you got also stiffness that we're going to reduce. Your job now is to inhale and exhale, only that. Only that. Okay. This is the last part, like the base of the muscle that needs to stretch. It is just in this triangle, right here. Inhale, exhale. One more time. Inhale, exhale. Yes. That did the trick. Now, test it. How does it rotate the head?
Yeah, it's ultra flexible. I'm just so, like the releaseness is a fact, and I'm so glad, because if I compare already my side, which is left one, he already treated, and I feel the difference between this and this one.
Чувствам движението.
Да.
And because this is a tight muscle, it is needed a bit more force than usual in order to help it to stretch. It is very interesting paradox when somebody is training and gaining muscle mass, their muscles are getting very good at being tight and they are losing the habit to relax. So it is very important for everybody that is doing training or sports or fitness or whatever to stretch and to help relax the muscles, to help them go back to normal size. Otherwise they are short, under pressure and painful. Good.
And how often would you recommend to make such a procedure like the one now?
Well, there is no recommendation. Whenever there is a feeling that you're tight, that you want to release, you can do this. There is no schedule that you have to follow. The one thing that it is important to keep in mind is that every tightness in our body can be released without medicines, without any kind of chemical intervention. It is just needed to do either stretch or this kind of physical therapy. They're complementary. Also, if you swim or you do yoga or dance, the need of this kind of methodology and therapy is highly reduced. The healthy persons doesn't need therapy. The one that are lacking habits of taking care of their health. They're the ones that need most often any kind of therapy to deal with the pains that are not going away. Simple as that. If you have a habit to do sports, you don't need therapy. If you have no sports, then you need therapy. Simple, right?
Yes.
Yes. And for you, quite painful because this is so tight. The entire base of the muscle itself. Good. In this direction. Okay. Stretched in two directions. Very nice. Try it now. How does it feel?
Yeah, my condition improve, and I have like improvements in my breath, in my flexibility, left and right, and overall, yeah, I already have a sufficient result, which
Okay.
is
Sit and turn around your head. Test it. How does it move?
yeah, I clearly feel the difference. At overall, as I had stiffness, now I don't have anything at all. Yes.
And you're sleepy.
Yeah.
Lie down for your thighs.
On my back. Yeah.
Yes, on your back.
Yes. Okay, this is my favorite part. I need it.
Keep the breath. Normal breathing. Okay. Now we're going to decompress the hip joint. That was it. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Okay. One more breath. Okay. Let's try the compression. That is successful. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Try it out. Stand up.
Yeah, overall I have improvement in my stability, my legs.
Okay.
It's visual, I guess, and that was one of my, complaint, my concern. But thank you.
Yes,
I'm
we did it. Congratulations.
Thank you. Overall, that was it. Yeah, guys. What else you can provide as a?
Well, we provide a deep tissue massage that is way more like a standard massage, but with more force. We provide Reiki therapy. We also provide this kind of regression session where one is able to remember his past lives. That is interesting. We're going to show you next time.
And of course, if you have a social media like Viber, everything we will provide to the guys.
Yes, we have Facebook, Viber, WhatsApp.
Not only based on in Bulgaria, but also guys worldwide who can visit our town. And this guy,
They have to visit Sofia.
yeah, they first have to visit off and they will come all the way here.
Maybe.
That's my recommendation. And this is overall. Thank you guys. For more content ahead,
Like, comment, and share. Bye bye.
bye bye to our fans. Take care, guys.